Welcome to my channel, Marita James, Griols Boys High School. Today we are looking at Mathematics Paper 1, Question 1. In Question 1, solve for n, 6n all over n minus 1 is equals to 25 all over n. Solve for n, we are supposed to find the value of n. We have a 6 all over n minus 1, then we have 25 all over n. What you do first, you cross multiply, so you will be having n into 6n. So we have n into bracket, we have this is 6n is equivalent to p. You will be have this one as 25, then we have n minus 1. So this one is giving us 6n squared, which equals to p. 25 times n we have this one as 25n minus 25 times 1 we have this one as this one is giving us 25. So you can write a quadratic equation from here. So we have this one as 6n squared, then we have minus 25. So we minus 25n, then plus 25. This one is equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation from here. So we can have the product. We use the sum and the product. The sum, a product is equals to p. 6 times 25. So we have 6 times 25. That one is giving us 150. So a product is equals to p 150, and the sum is equals to p. Our sum is equals to p 25. Two numbers which can give us a product of 150 and 25 is 15, negative 15 and negative 10. So we can have negative 15 and minus 10 and so a sum of these two can give us negative 25. Then negative 15 times negative 10 is giving us 150. So we write this one as 6n squared. So instead of writing negative 15, we replace by sum of the two, a sum of negative 15n plus negative 10n. So we subtract this one as 15n minus 10n, then plus 25, and this one is giving us 0. So we cannot group this one into two, so we group there, we group in there, we group into that. So between 6n squared and 15 and 15n, so we have 3n into, we have this one as 2n squared. We can have this one as 2n. This is 2n minus 5. In that case, minus. So we have, let us first of all have 2n minus 5. So on this side we can have 2n, then minus 5. Between 10n plus 25, we have 5, which is common there. So we can have 5. So 5 times 2n is giving us 10n. Negative 5 times negative 5, we have positive 5. So we can have this one as 3n minus 5 into, we have this is 2n minus 5. This one equals to, that one is equals to 0. So you can write either 3n minus 5 is equals to 0. From here we have 3n is equals to p, 5. So you divide it by 3. You divide this one by 3. The value of n is equals to p. 5 you divide it by 3. Or you can also have that 2n minus 5 is equals to 0. From here we have 2n, which is equals to 5. So we divide it by 2. We divide it by 2. So the value of n is equals to be 5 all over 2. Correct.